Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 6 of how to set up a desktop computer with dual monitors for office use. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, we will be adding the peripherals such as the mouse and keyboard to the computer. So we can now get into the video. This is the mouse, wired of course. This is the keyboard. We can insert this into the back of the towel, but for this video, we will be using the front just to make life very easy. So that's peripheral number 1. And peripheral number 2. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.